there are two ways to edit your profile, okay? So if you're thinking about editing your profile, either when you're on the home page to the left, you're gonna see a picture of you, you click on that, or to the top right on the dashboard. And again, you click on that little icon and then there's a view profile button you can click on. Before you make updates to your LinkedIn profile, you may want to keep them private. So in order to keep updates private so that they don't blast out to your employer that you're looking for a job, which is a very real concern for many people, you go again to that little icon into settings and privacy. And there's a lot, once you go into the account piece of the dashboard, you'll see there's a lot of options. So once you're in privacy, you're gonna see how others see your LinkedIn activity as a category. And there's one there that talks about sharing job changes, education changes, and work anniversaries from profile. And so you just switch over to the right-hand side, you click on that and you change it from yes to no. Now, you might be private for when you're making updates, but after you've made your profile updates, do not stay private, okay? You want to, and the place where you can set this privacy setting and how much or how little your profile shared is outlined in the blue square. You go into edit your custom URL up top, and then it drops down this whole edit visibility section. And I want to share a stat from a 2018 Career Builder survey. It said nearly half of employers, 47%, say that if they can't find a job candidate online, they are less likely to call that person in for an interview. So what does this mean? It means that if you have the most robust, most optimized, most beautiful LinkedIn profile in the world, but you have your profile set on extremely private, and you're not showing up when a hiring manager does that search, you are going to be passed over. They are not going to consider you. So the other piece of settings that I think is valuable for being optimized if you're in the job search, and again, these are, you know, I don't have any data to prove that these work or not, but I assume they're a good alert to have if you want to really kind of tip off to recruiters and other people that you are actively looking. And so if you go into privacy again, under job seeking preferences, you're going to see there's a whole slew of options. If you want to notify recruiters, you can do it in that other section, or you go back to your profile and there's add a profile section and there's an intro part, and you click on that little plus sign, and what that's going to do is it's going to let you add your job preferences. And you'll see down at the bottom, it allows you to tip off recruiters. And once you complete that, or at least once I completed that, then it allows you to set up job alerts as well. So this is a part of kind of setting up a passive job search strategy, if you will. So you're going to get your alerts set on LinkedIn so that you're hearing about any jobs that come under these categories, and you don't have to necessarily spend as much time kind of actively